Yes, how are you? What did you learn from the last video? Yes, MLCs, governor, and salaries of constitution officials. Okay, in this video, you will learn two important topics. They are the making of laws in the state assembly and state constitution officials, their details. Once I repeat you, first one, the making of laws in the state assembly, and second one is the state constitution officials and their names. You know very well one thing, dear students, that is AP assembly has two houses. Can you name them? Yes, they are Vidhana Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. Right. Can you name who are Vidhana Sabha members are called? Vidhana Sabha members are called MLAs. Vidhana Parishad members are called MLCs. Right, Vidhana Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. Now question is, who can make laws in the assembly? Usually laws are made by ruling party. That means present ruling party is YSRCP party. Okay. So to pass the laws, majority members of support is needed in assembly. Majority members. Then what is majority? Majority means in a house, that means either MLAs or MLC's house, 50% plus 1. 50% plus 1 member support is needed to pass the laws. Okay. Generally, majority party has majority seats in the assembly, so they pass the bill. Okay. Next, who can propose a bill in the assembly? Who can propose? Any member in the assembly. Any member in the assembly can propose the bill. After proposing the bill, a lot of discussions happen between the majority party and opposition party members. Before that, I just introduce you the steps in making laws. So first step in the making of laws is proposal of a bill. Second step, discussions between ruling party and opposition party members. Third one, approval in the Vidhana Sabha. Next, approval in the Vidhana Parishad. And next step is approval of governor. And final step is publishing in the Gazette. Publishing in the Gazette. Gazette means official document of the state government. So these are the 6 steps in making the laws. Once I repeat you, first one, proposal of bill. Second one, discussions between ruling and opposition parties. Third one, Vidhana Sabha approval. Fourth one, Vidhana Parishad approval. Fifth one, governor approval. And sixth one, publishing that bill, publishing that act in the state gazette. So now details. So just recall the matter. In the assembly, any member can propose the bill and discussions happen between majority party and opposition parties. Opposition party members can say some necessary changes to the bill. In case any necessary changes needed means they can say. After changes happen, the bill will be placed for voting in both houses legislative assembly and legislative councils. That means MLA's house and MLC's house. In both houses, voting will be happen. First, in MLA's house, that means legislative assembly. MLA's house. When speaker propose the voting, if 50% plus one member said okay, then that bill in the Vidhan Sabha, that is passed. Next, that bill will be sent to Vidhana Parishad. In Vidhana Parishad also, chairman proposed that voting. In that MLC house also, 50% plus one member said okay, then that bill will be passed. Okay, then from there the bill will be sent to governor. After the approval of governor, the bill will be called as act, official act. That act will published in the Gazette. So already I told you the meaning of Gazette. Gazette means official document of the state government. Okay, so once I repeat the steps: proposal of a bill, discussions between ruling and opposition parties, approval of Vidhan Sabha and approval of Vidhana Parishad, and approval of governor, and final step is Gazette, publishing in the Gazette. Right? Next topic is state officials and their names. Okay, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, you know very well, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Andhra Pradesh Governor Bishwa Bhushan Harichandan, Andhra Pradesh Assembly Speaker Tammineni Sitaram, and in Andhra Pradesh Assembly Opposition Party Leader Chandrababu Naidu, and Andhra Pradesh State Election Commissioner Neelam Sahni, and High Court Chief Justice Arup Kumar Goswami, and Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council Chairman Muhammad Sharif, and Andhra Pradesh DGP Gautam Sawang. Thank you.